What's up, y'all? Y'all, how perfect is this ribbon that I just found in the warehouse to go with this? It's like perfect. All right, y'all, I'm gonna need 8 strips of the 21-inch mesh cut at about 12 inches. So there's our 8 pieces. All right, I needed 8 because I'm using a pre-made frame. On the pre-made frame, there's 8 twists on the top. Right, we're gonna take our 12-inch cut and we're gonna roll it up. Do not make it tight. This is not Tostito time. Is it a Tostito? This is burrito time. Okay, then you're gonna measure about 5 inches away. You're gonna give it a little pinch. You're gonna open up one of your twist ties aggressively. If you don't do it aggressively, they don't work. Put it back in there and then give it a good twist. So you have a little, it's gonna look like a little Tootsie Roll, kind of like a little candy shape. On the other side, you're gonna measure out your 5 inches again. You're gonna pinch it. This one you can be gentle, you don't have to be aggressive. If you're not aggressive, it's okay. Put the other side in there, push it down and twist it off nice and tight. Pop that up and then puff it out. It's a keto, not a Tostito, that's a chip. Still my favorite, but you know. Now we're gonna go to the next one and we're just gonna keep doing that over and over again. All the way around the top. Don't forget to poof out that centerpiece. So that's what it looks like so far. So the 10 at the bottom, we're gonna do 30-inch ruffles. And the 8 at the top, we're gonna do 15 to 20 inch. So we're here, we're gonna take it, we're gonna cut at 30 inches. And we're gonna do that 5 times. All right, now I'm gonna just take all my twist ties around the outside, get them pointing out. We're gonna take them, we're gonna curl our edges. And we're gonna ruffle it. Y'all, with that little pasta looking noodle, we're gonna add one of these all the way around. All right, 2 curled edges. Ruffle. All right, let's keep making our ruffles. Am I putting curl up, curl down? I think I've done some of both, honestly. We're not really paying that close attention, and no one will notice it either. I'm literally just putting it on there. Ruffle. All right, so we did our 12-inch cuts, made our little poofs and tails around the top. Then we did our 30-inch ruffles on the bottom. Now we're gonna add some ruffles to the top layer. So on those, I recommend doing at least 15 inches. I need 8 at 20 inches total. We're gonna take this one. We're gonna roll each side one time. Ruffle it. And then we're gonna add these in every twist around the top. Where do you get the wreath frames? You can get those at decoexchange.com. So y'all, if I didn't say this, I don't remember if I did or not, but we curled those edges because all mesh, as soon as you cut it, it's gonna start to fall apart, right? So now we've got our pretty color with those little pops of black and white. We're pairing it with this sign because this sign has the pops of black and white. Let's prep our sign. So we're gonna grab 4 mounting squares. You can get these at decoexchange.com. We're gonna add 4 little dots around our sign. So this is a super glue gel. You need it. Brand doesn't really matter. I like DAP. I'm gonna go ahead and caulk it with some hot glue. Y'all, then I'm just gonna set this off to the side. Grab our bow maker. Y'all, I'm gonna start with about 12 inches here. Give it a good twist. Then we're gonna make our loop about 6.5 to 7 inches. Then we're gonna make our other one about 6.5 to 7 inches. That's 8, too big. That's better. Then measure out our other 8. All right, 8-inch tail going up. 8-inch tail on this side. All right, this one we're gonna go back to our long tail. Give it a good twist. Measure out about 6.5 inches. All right, so every time our layers just get a little bit smaller. All right, center loop, just tail. Wrap our pipe cleaner around it. What is this? This is the Easy Bow Maker. We have them at decoexchange.com. We're gonna push our ribbon away from us and give it a good twist. Look how pretty. Grab our sign. We're just gonna slide our pipe cleaners right through our mounting square and twist it off. Y'all, we're gonna add our sign right down here. We've got our metal sign attached. We've got our mesh on here. We made our bow. I'm gonna throw my bow up here in the second corner. Look how pretty. Let me zoom out a little bit. Y'all, so if you remember earlier when we started, there were 10 twist ties around the bottom, 8 around the top. We're gonna start with the 10 on the bottom. So I'm gonna grab my Easy Bow Maker, so I have that spool holder, and I'm gonna grab my ribbon tail board from Hot Mesh Mom. I'm gonna need at least 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 of these. So let's cut our 14. There's our 14. All right, y'all, we're gonna take our 2.5 inch and our 1.5 inch. Then we're gonna fold it right in half. Give it a good pinch. And layer this just like this one. Then we're gonna just fold it back. This process seems hard, but I promise once you do it a few times, it gets really quick until these two ribbons touch. Whenever you do this, it just sits better on the wreath. It seems pointless, but I promise if you follow that little step, your wreaths will look cute. All right. Then we're just gonna add those to the twist ties that are already there. Then once it's in there, it's already pointing the right way. It just needs to be separated a little bit. See how it just sits perfect right where it's supposed to? All right, let's go. Watch how much faster it's like, it just turns into one quick process. So we went all the way around the outside. We added all our ribbon tails. Now we're gonna go to the top. Let me just hold it up real quick so you guys can see. All right, so you can see how it filled in the outside edges, nice and pretty. Now, when we're looking at the front, you can see like there's a little spot right here and then some at the bottom that we're missing out on. It needs a little prettiness. So we're gonna add our ribbon tails there. All right, now we need to clean up our ribbon tails on our bow. So we're just gonna dovetail these. All right, let's check it out.